In this video, I'll guide you through how to link your Citibank account to PayPal. This process is straightforward and will enable you to seamlessly transfer funds between your Citibank account and PayPal, giving you more flexibility in managing your finances. To get started, you'll first need to log in to your PayPal account. If you're not already signed in, head over to the PayPal website or open the PayPal app on your device. Enter your login credentials, and once inside, you'll find the main dashboard where you can manage your account settings and transactions. Next, navigate to the wallet section. This is where all your linked cards and bank accounts are stored. It's a centralized location that allows you to view and manage your financial connections with PayPal. You'll find the wallet option in the top menu if you're on the website, or at the bottom of the screen if you're using the app. Once you're in the wallet section, look for the option that says link a bank account. Click on it and you'll be presented with a list of banks. From this list, select Citibank to proceed with linking your account. Now, you have two options to link your Citibank account. The quicker method is to link it instantly by signing in with your Citibank online banking credentials. This means you'll be redirected to a secure login page where you can enter your Citibank username and password. This method is convenient and usually the fastest way to get your accounts linked. Alternatively, if you prefer not to use your online banking credentials, you can link your Citibank account manually. To do this, you'll need to have your Citibank checking or savings account number and the corresponding routing number on hand. Enter these details carefully to ensure there are no errors, as any discrepancies might delay the linking process. After choosing your preferred method, follow the on-screen instructions. PayPal will guide you through the necessary steps to confirm your account details and complete the linking process. Make sure to review each step and verify all the information you input to avoid any issues later on. And there you have it. That's how to link Citibank to PayPal. By following these steps, you'll have successfully connected your accounts, allowing you to manage your transactions with ease. If you encounter any issues, PayPal's customer support is always available to assist you. Happy banking!